Have you ever shopped online and at the checkout section, there was an option for you to buy now, pay later with Affirm? Have you ever wondered if you should apply for that to build your credit scores? Find out in this episode if that's a good option for you. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. So for those of you who are listening or watching this episode regarding if you should apply for a Affirm financing account in order to build your credit scores, you should probably know what Affirm is. So if you go on any type of clothing online store or jewelry store or paying for a hotel online or any type of app or something like that, you may see an option in the checkout tab that says save your money, finance with Affirm, and pay this back in monthly payments within a year or something like that. A lot of people reach out and say, should I do this? Should I apply for it? Is it going to build my credit? It says it can help people with bad credit pay for this, so we can only pay back a monthly fee instead of paying $500 cash for clothes or something silly like that. So here's my thought on it. If you have to use Affirm, which is a financing tool on store websites, if you have to use financing for that, you shouldn't be buying whatever you're using Affirm for anyway. For example, on some of these designer clothes websites, they have buy now, pay later options on there for some of these expensive clothes. If you have to finance clothes or finance purses or, finance underwear, 9 times out of 10, you probably just don't need to be buying it. That's one thought I have on it. Secondly, the interest rates on that account is going to be like 27%. It's going to be close to 20% or well over 20%. So if you're financing $1,000, for some online shopping, you're going to be paying back almost $2,000. So honestly, it's probably just best to save your money and just hold off on applying to that. Now, the good news, if you really needed to buy something now, you're going to have the money in a month or two, but you definitely need this now. Affirm definitely comes in handy on some of these fine jewelers website. And I've heard so many people buy, jewelry, watches, rings, earrings on, fine jewelers website and just finance it until, they get paid next check. And yeah, by all means, if you want something now and it's about to sell out and you're going to be able to afford to pay it off, within this year, then go out and do it. It's your money. But here's the thing as far as building your credit with Affirm. One, it only reports to one credit bureau, and I think it's either TransUnion or Experian. It doesn't report to all three. Two, like I said, the interest rate is high. You don't want to put yourself in extra debt just to build credit to get more debt. That it doesn't make sense. I'm not going to go out and borrow a $1,000 loan and pay 27% interest just to boost my credit score 10 points. It just doesn't make sense. I will be paying $1,000 in interest to boost my score a few points. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. It's just stupid to do. So one of the best things you can do is come over here to SturgisCreditRepair.com and go to the credit building products. Actually, let's just go up here. Credit building products tab. We have ways for you to build your credit score without putting yourself in debt. Method number one, Sturgis Credit Repair or secured credit card. You put $200 on it. You're not putting yourself in debt. You're just opening up a credit limit with the $200. The $200 is a deposit, which means it's refundable. It goes back to you whenever you're done using the card. You close out the card, whatever the case is. So there's no minimum credit score required, no hard inquiry when you apply for this. They use a credit monitoring service, which we're partnered with down here, to access your credit report to see your estimated scores. This is a credit building account. You don't need good credit to apply for it. So like I say, you use $200 to open up a $200 credit limit. So you're using your own money for this credit card, and you literally can just pay, buy things with this card that you can afford to pay back on time before the due date, and you pay zero interest. So if you want to buy $50 of gas, you only spend that and you pay $50 off at the end of the month. Or just let it report at zero every single month and you don't owe the bank anything. You just let it report. When it builds your credit score in a few years, you just close the account out and you get your $200 back. Credit building / savings loan. Again, you're not putting yourself in debt. They have plans as low as $15, $20 a month, 12 to 120 month terms. You pay $15 a month, $20 a month. They report these payments to the credit bureaus every single month. It's reported as a loan. Your money that you invest in this account goes into a locked savings account. So you're making $15 every month, for 10 years, or not seriously, but a few years or a few months. The money that you invest in this account, you cancel the account or you finish your term, like I said, it's not a real loan, so you're not stuck into debt. You're just building your credit for however long you want to. You get your money back that's in this locked savings account. You can watch the video on that. Rent reporting. You're already paying rent. This product here allows a account to be reported in place of your rent that has to be verified by your landlord or apartment company. Of course, it reports up to 2 years of rent payment. So if you've been renting over the last 2 years or 1 year and you're going to be there another year, it does 24-month reporting. So you can at least get credited for some of the money that you're paying every month that's not being reported at all. So again, you're not putting yourself in debt. This kickoff thing here for $2 a month. You open up the card account, you pay $2 to have the card reported every month. You can buy things in the kickoff store. If not, just leave it reported at $0 every month. You don't owe anything because you haven't bought anything. It builds your credit. So those are all of the things you can do to build your credit without putting yourself in debt. So to answer your question, should you apply for a Affirm account to build your credit, or any type of crazy high interest personal loan account to build credit? No. If you're struggling financially and need money, yes. But in this episode, we're solely only focusing on building credit with a high interest loan. It is not worth it. I have so many items on the website here at Sturgis Credit Repair that you can apply for to build your credit scores today without putting yourself in a locked debt account. So hopefully this video helped, or episode helped anyone out there who's debating to get any type of crazy account to build credit. We have so many things that can save you money and not put yourself in a money risking account. So if you have any questions, reach out to us here at Sturgis Credit Repair. We can help you apply for some of these accounts. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.